Now, this is a box that has just arrived from Sudha Selva, who is the creator of Body Rituals. She has very lovingly sent me this beautiful PR box, which we are going to open just now. And now it's time to open this lovely box and find out what's inside. So I do see a very nice orange wrapping that's got a best wishes sticker on it. Let us just remove this. And wow, do you see this? Do you see this, people? Let's open the other side as well. So let me do this properly. So do you see the goodies in this bag? Oh my god, there are so many wonderful looking products. Here we have the activated charcoal. I think this is a soap, and I have to really congratulate Sudha for coming up with such wonderful and neat packaging. And even if you see the design on the cover, it's like really beautiful. And this is Oud, and you can see the ingredients at the back. And this one is a rosemary soap. Wow, so some really innovative stuff, I really have to say. Some really innovative stuff. And what do we have here? This is handcrafted and natural shea and sugar scrub lemon. Oh wow, would you look at this brilliant yellow colored thing? It's looking so extravagant, and it's looking so it's like filled with summery freshness. I can't wait to try this. And then what do we have? Chocolicious body scrub and polish, and this also looks extremely luxurious. Very nice packaging, Sudha. Very impressive. And what do we have here? I think these are the lip balms. Juicy gum. So that's the flavor we have here. The juicy gum. And then we have another one, which is called chocolate lip balm. Wow. I might just eat all of this up. And last but not the least, we have a lip scrub. And staying in Hyderabad, actually one tends to get very dry and very chapped lips. So here we go. This is our bag of goodies, and these are the products just placed randomly for now. But I shall bring to you a very well reviewed feedback once I try all of these products. And you shall be seeing this on Instagram, you shall be seeing this on Grace and Glam Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram and everywhere. So thank you so much, Sudha, for this lovely surprise. Thank you.